Okay, last lecture we have seen the penstock, or sorry, Pelton turbine. Okay, so Pelton turbine is used whenever there's a high head. Okay, high head is there, you can go for the use of Pelton turbine in generating the electricity. So around 500-meter height, you can whenever there's a 500-meter height head, then we can use the Pelton turbine. So now next turbine is Francis turbine. You can put the heading Francis turbine. The Francis is the name of scientist. He invented this turbine, so the name is given Francis turbine. So we have to put the heading as a Francis turbine. You can see that three-dimensional figure of the Francis turbine. This is the actual construction of the Francis turbine. Now put the we have to draw this diagram of the Francis turbine. Okay, so I will give the steps. I will give the idea that how to draw the diagram step by step. You have to follow my instructions. Okay, now draw one small circle as a shaft. Draw one small circle as a shaft using compass. Use your compass and draw a small circle. You can name as a shaft. Then next circle. Then next one, third circle. Third circle. Then show these veins. These are the veins. Okay, and this in whatever the wheel is there, it is called as a runner. Runner veins. Okay, runner vein is done. Okay, once you complete the runner vein and the runner, then you have to draw the guide wheel. Okay, in that guide veins are there. So draw a fourth circle. Draw a fourth circle. Then with some certain distance or the space, draw next circle. Draw a next circle. Okay, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 circles you have to draw with the help of compass. Then at the last, you have to show the casing. So casing is what? The area of the casing is gradually increasing. असं एकदम युनिफॉर्म लक्षात ठेवा, वाढत चाललेलं आहे. Gradually increasing the casing area. The area of the casing is gradually increasing. Then this is a penstock. So penstock is connected to the casing. Then you show this vertical penstock. Okay, after penstock, show the draft tube. Show the draft tube. Then from this axis, center of this, you can have the one dotted line. You can show the dotted line this here, arrow. Then you can show the water, that is tail race. Show the water. Okay, if you follow such steps, whatever I am telling, if you can have the good practice of diagrams, and you will be you can get the full marks for the diagram. पहिला शाफ्ट काढायचा, त्यानंतर रनर व्हेन काढायचं, रनर व्हील काढायचं, त्याच्यानंतर गाईड व्हील काढायचं, त्याच्यामध्ये गाईड व्हेन्स दाखवायच्या, नंतर केसिंग दाखवायचा. Casing area is gradually increasing. Then penstock. After penstock, you can show the draft tube. Now after draft tube, you can show the tail race. Okay, diagram is completed.
No, sir.
Okay.
Complete, sir.
Okay, everyone has completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us understand the construction details of this Francis turbine. Okay, so this Francis turbine is used whenever there's a medium head. Okay, so medium head means around 50 meter to 250 meter head. So we can use the Francis turbine, right? So in the Francis turbine, if you see the construction details, there's arrangement of penstock for flowing the water toward the casing side. There's a spiral casing. The area of the casing is increasing gradually, right? Then next is runner vanes and the runner. So on the runner is a kind of wheel on which series of curved vanes are there. You can say as a runner. Then guide wheel. So these are the guide vanes. Okay, these are the guide vanes. So these guide vanes are there, have number of flow passages which guide the water toward the runner side. Okay, so these guide vanes are there which guide the water toward the runner side. Okay, so this is a complete guide wheel on which the vanes are there, and those vanes are known as guide vanes. Then draft tube. Draft tube is used for retaining the original pressure to the water. Okay, to retain the original pressure or take the water to the tail race. जे टर्बाइन वरती जे वॉटर फिरून झाल्यानंतर जे काही पाणी येणार आहे ते तुम्हाला टेल रेसला पास करण्यासाठी ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरलेली आहे. आणि ड्राफ्ट ट्यूबचा मेन पर्पज आहे की जे प्रेशर इथं असणार आहे, सुरुवातीला प्रेशर ज्या मिळतं आपलं ऍटमॉस्फिअर प्रेशर, तेवढं प्रेशर अचीव्ह करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब लावा लागेल. To the main function of the draft tube is to retain the original pressure to the water. Okay, so this is about the construction details. Now if you see the working how this Francis turbine works, so basic purpose of this Francis turbine is used to get an electricity, generating the electricity, because the shaft of this Francis turbine is connected to the generator. Okay, so ultimately we will get here mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy is converted into इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. जसं आपण पेल्टन मध्ये बघितलं, मेकॅनिकलचं कन्वर्जन इलेक्ट्रिक मध्ये करता येते, कारण शाफ्ट हे फ्रान्सिस टर्बाइनचा शाफ्ट जो आहे ते पुढे जनरेटरला जोडलेलं आहे सिरीज मध्ये. So we can generate the electricity in the generator. Now if you see the diagram, through the diagram also we can understand. So water through the penstock enters into the casing, and through the casing it's entering at the runner side. Okay, so first it will enter in the casing, and then through the casing radially move toward the runner side through the guide vanes. Okay, so guide vanes nothing but number of flow passages. Guide vanes nothing but number of flow passages which guide the water toward the runner. हे जे काही गाइड वेन्स आहेत ते काय करतात, वॉटरला रनर कडे डायरेक्ट करतात. सो डायरेक्शन देण्याचं काम कोण करते, गाइड वेन्स. सो गाइड वेन्स गिव्ह द डायरेक्शन to flow up water toward the runner side. Okay, so once water will come through the guide vein side and it will strike to the runner veins. So that means what? When what are the pressure will act on this runner veins and it will cause the rotation. It will cause the rotational motion of the runner, and hence we can obtain the mechanical energy. And that mechanical energy is used for converting into electrical energy by using generator. Okay, here during this process, as water is coming toward the runner side radially, so firstly it will enter at the guide veins, and then guide veins, through the guide veins it will direct toward the runner veins. So when it will strike to the runner veins, it will cause the rotation. So in this process, energy will be reduced. Whatever the pressure energy of the water will be reduced. So to regain that original pressure and to make the water to flow at the downside, tail race side, so we have to provide the draft tube. Okay, we have to provide the draft tube. So draft tube purpose is to what? To regain its original pressure. कारण जे तुम्ही हाय प्रेशर वॉटर तुम्ही पास केलेलं असते ते गाइडवेन द्वारे तुम्ही रनरकडे आणताय, तिथं त्यावेळेस त्याचा त्या रनर वेन वरती स्ट्राइक केल्यानंतर त्याचं प्रेशर एनर्जी कमी होणार आहे. ओके, आणि त्यामुळे जी काही प्रेशर असणार आहे ते प्रेशर ऍटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर पेक्षा कमी झालं असेल. मग ते तुम्हाला रिटेन करण्यासाठी हे ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब मधून पास करायचं वॉटर. सो वी कॅन ऑब्टेन दी ओरिजिनल प्रेशर टू द वॉटर. Okay, so like this Francis turbine works. Okay, I will explain once again. ज्यावेळेस वॉटर पेनस्टॉक द्वारे येईल हाय प्रेशरने, ते पहिला केसिंग मध्ये येईल. केसिंग द्वारे ते गाइडवेलच्या मधून गाइडवेनच्या माध्यमातून ते रनरकडे डायरेक्ट करेल. ते जे काही डायरेक्ट करताना हे रेडियली येतील रनर वेनकडे. सो दीज आर द गाइड वेन्स which give the direction to the flow of water. Okay, so when water will strike over the runner veins, so the runner will rotate. Okay, runner will cause the rotational motion. Hence we can obtain the mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by using generator. As shaft of this runner, this Francis turbine and the generator is same, we can obtain the electrical energy, right? And as due to the rotation, so whatever the energy is there, it will be reduced or energy get down, so that whatever the water is there, it has low pressure, it is less than atmospheric pressure. So to flow up water at the downside or the tail race, so we have to connect the draft tube, and through the draft tube we can achieve the original pressure to the water, and again that water can be reused, and it will flow through the penstock and it will enter at the runner side. The flow of water is direct, it is inward flow it is an inward flow, or you can say radially inward flow toward the runner side, and this turbine works and we can obtain the mechanical energy. Then mechanical is converted into electrical energy. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
right working of it.
Sir, impulse turbine का मग reaction turbine?
This is what they actually ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, हा इम्पल्स म्हणता येत नाही. हॅलो, हा आपण ह्याला थोडक्यात हा रिएक्शनचाच पार्ट येतोय, कारण इथं थोडस एनर्जी कन्वर्जन, प्रेशरचं पूर्णपणे कन्वर्जन होत नाहीये, हे थोडस लॉस इथं होतोय, म्हणजे कम्प्लीट कन्वर्जन होत नाही या ठिकाणी. त्यामुळे ती इम्पल्स ह्याला म्हणू शकत नाही. वी कॅन से ॲज दिस इज अ रिएक्शन ऍक्च्युअली.
Okay.
Write down. The water enters at high pressure. The water enters at high pressure through the penstock in the casing and it flows radially inward towards the runner side.
Sir, double repeat करा.
water enters at high pressure through penstock and enters in the casing through penstock and enters into the casing, and it flows radially inward and it flows radially inward and it flows radially inward towards the runner toward the runner through guide vanes full stop. The guide vanes have number of flow passages the guide vanes have number of flow passages which guide the water towards the runner comma after passing the guide vanes water strikes on the runner veins and it imparts energy on the runner and gives rotational motion to the runner full stop. Next paragraph. After losing the energy over the runner the pressure becomes less than atmospheric pressure comma to regain its original pressure and make water to flow to regain its original pressure and make water to flow, the draft tube is used. Full stop. The water from the runner goes to the tail race through draft tube. बघा ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब लावण्याचा पर्पस काय या ठिकाणी ज्यावेळेस वॉटर इतर रनरवरती स्ट्राईक होणार आहे त्यावेळी त्याची एनर्जी लेवल फार कमी झाली असणार आहे आणि मग ते जे काही प्रेशर असणार आहे वॉटरचं ते फार कमी असणार आहे ऍटमॉस्फिअर पेक्षा कमी झालं असेल मग ते वॉटर तुम्हाला खाली आणायचं आहे मग ते आणण्यासाठी परत तुम्हाला ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब लावावं लागते अशा ठेवून मग तर तिथे काय होईल ओरिजिनल प्रेशर अचीव होईल सो टू रिगेन ओरिजिनल प्रेशर वी हॅव टू गो फॉर द अटॅचमेंट ऑफ अ ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब Next line. This turbine is used. This turbine is used. This turbine is used for medium head. This turbine is used for medium head. ओके, एकदम सगळ्यात सोपं वर्किंग आहे, काय अवघड नाही. वॉटर पेनस्टॉक मध्ये येणार, परत ते गाईडवेन मध्ये येईल. गाईडवेनच्या साहाय्याने गाईडवेन काय करणार, वॉटरला डायरेक्ट करणार कुठं, रनर वेन कडे. आणि रनर वेन वरती जर त्यावेळेस वॉटर स्ट्राईक होईल त्यावेळेस इथं एनर्जी म्हणजे स्ट्राईक झाल्यानंतर हाय रनर ते एक प्रेशर, हाय प्रेशर एनर्जी अटॅक होणार आहे. आणि त्यामुळे काय होईल, इथं हे रोटेशन होईल. मग रोटेट झालं काय झालं, मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी मिळाली आपल्याला. आणि ती मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी वापर करून काय केलं आपण, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी तयार केली विथ द हेल्प ऑफ जनरेटर. ओके, मग इथं जे काही एनर्जी लॉस झालेली आहे आणि जे काही वॉटर असणार आहे ते परत खाली आणायचं आपल्याला टेल रेसला. त्यासाठी तुम्ही ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरले टू रिगेन द ओरिजिनल प्रेशर टू द वॉटर. ओके, एवढं सिंपल वर्किंग आहे फ्रान्सिस टर्बाइनचं. ठीक आहे
सर,
हा बोला.
सर प्रेशर का परत रिगेन करायचं, म्हणजे ड्राफ्ट का वापरून?
हा, कारण ही फ्लो होत नाही ना खाली पण वॉटर, कारण इथं खाली आपल्याला प्रेशर आणायचं असते, म्हणजे खाली डाऊनला वॉटर
ते
आणण्यासाठी.
तसं पण जाऊ शकतं ना.
कसं कसं असतं माहितीये का, आता ज्यावेळेस
बिना ड्राफ्ट.
हा नाही, बिना ड्राफ्ट जाऊ शकत नाही तिथे. कारण तिथं कसं असतंय, जे कसं असतं, कुठली गोष्ट प्रेशर असेल तर ते वर्क होते ना. कारण व्हॅक्यूम वगैरे असेल, आता बघा तुम्ही, आपण कधी कधी पाण्यामध्ये पाईप डीप करतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जर व्हॅक्यूम असला, एअर असली वगैरे, तर ती होत नसते. मग ते काय, तुम्ही अशी अरेंजमेंट करा ड्राफ्ट ट्यूबची की जे पाणी फ्लो व्हायला पाहिजे, आणि ते पाणी फ्लो होण्यासाठी तुम्हाला ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरावं लागते. म्हणजे ड्राफ्ट ट्यूबचं फंक्शन आहे की टू रिगेन द ओरिजिनल प्रेशर, जे काही पाण्याचं जे प्रेशर आहे तुम्हाला ओरिजिनल आणायचं आहे, जे सुरुवातीला होतं ते आणायचं तुम्हाला, तर ते ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरायचं.
सर ॲनिमेशन दाखवा ना.
ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स शकतो की सर?
हा, ड्राफ्ट ट्यूबचं काय काय माहिती का, इथं तुम्ही
ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्सने
होतं की, बरोबर आहे, ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स आहे. पण ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही इथं बघा, एक 3D दाखवलेलं आहे का, असं कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे डिटेल्स. ओके, आता तुम्हाला इथं कसं असतं माहितीये का, की आपण जे हाय प्रेशर म्हणजे वॉटर तुम्ही फ्लो करत असताय. ओके, मग ती प्रेशर परत अचीव करण्यासाठी तुम्ही ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरली तर ते प्रेशर अचीव होईल ना. जी सुरुवातीला जे प्रेशरनं तुम्ही पाणी सोडलं होतं पेनस्टॉक मध्ये, ते प्रेशर अचीव करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब वापरावं लागतं. तर प्रेशर असं काय एकदम झिरो होत नसतंय, वॉटर फ्लो होणार, पण जे काही प्रेशर सुरुवातीला होतं ना ते अचीव होत नसते. मग ते परत तुम्हाला रिटर्न करावं लागतंय. याची कंटिन्युअस सायकल आहे, लक्षात ठेवा वॉटरची. इट्स अ कंटिन्युअस सायकल. ठीक आहे,
ॲनिमेशन दाखवा ना सर.
आजचं अॅनिमेशन बहुतेक माझ्याकडे नाही अवेलेबल. तुम्ही गुगलवरती सर्च करायचं फ्रान्सिस, काय म्हणायचं, युट्यूब मध्ये जायचं फ्रान्सिस टर्बाइन, किंवा मी ह्याच्यामध्ये स्प्रेडशीट मध्ये टाकतो, स्टडी मटेरियल शीट मध्ये. ठीक आहे, तुम्ही गुगलवरती सर्च करा, नसेल तर मी आपल्या स्टडी मटेरियल शीट मध्ये शेअर करतो त्याची लिंक युट्यूब वरून. ठीक आहे, नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्बाइन, Kaplan turbine. Put the heading Kaplan turbine. Heading the Kaplan turbine. Now let us draw the diagram. You follow steps. सुरुवातीला एक शाफ्ट काढून घ्या. Draw this shaft. Okay. Then show this hub. This HUB hub, or you can say as a boss. Okay, एक बॉस काढून घ्या. त्याच्यानंतर ऍडजस्टेबल रनर व्हेन्स, ह्या व्हेन्स काढून घ्या, ऍडजस्टेबल रनर व्हेन्स. ओके, त्यानंतर ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब काढून घ्या. यू कॅन शो दिस ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब. ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब काढून घ्या. Then you can show the casing, left casing and right casing. You can show this casing. Right casing दाखवा. Then you can show guide vanes. These are the guide vanes, left side, right side. Guide vanes. Okay. Then give the nomenclature. Tail race, draft tube, adjustable runner vanes, guide vanes, scroll casing, shaft, whirl chamber. So draw the diagram neatly. Over.
5 minutes.
Okay. Over na? Okay. Okay, how we have discussed the Francis turbine. Similarly, you can see the construction here also. There is arrangement of a draft tube. Okay. Then guide vanes, scroll casing. Then this shaft. At the end, there's a boss or you can hub. Adjustable vanes are there. Okay. So tail race. Now in this case, these are the whatever the blades are placed or it is fitted over this hub. Okay, those blades are adjustable. Okay, So when water comes through the penstock, okay, when water comes through the penstock in the casing, scroll casing, okay, it will move toward the runner side. So this is acting as a runner. See, because this has rotation. He shaft आहे, हा vertical shaft आहे. This is axial flow kind of turbine. हा कसला turbine आहे? Whatever the flow of water is what? Axially. Yes or no? The flow of water is how it is? Axial or radial inward? The flow of water is axial direction, right? But in case of Francis turbine, you found that the flow is what? Radially inward. Flow of water is radially inward toward the runner side. Here the flow of water is axial one. Okay, so this is also a reaction turbine, or you can say reaction turbine. So Francis and the Clapland turbines are the reaction turbines, and the Pelton-Wheeler is the impulse turbine. Okay, so when water come through the casing through the guide vanes, so guide vane guide the water toward the runner side. Okay, so when the water will flow axially toward the runner side, it will cause rotations. It will cause the rotations, and we can obtain the mechanical energy. We can obtain the mechanical energy. So when water will strike over these adjustable vanes, so definitely energy level will be reduced, or energy get reduced, and whatever the pressure will be less pressure. So to regain its original pressure to the water, so draft tube is provided. Okay, so with the help of draft tube, the water will be discharged at the tail race. Okay, so this water flows initially, it is straight one, then it is rotated through the 90-degree angle. Okay, so this is a construction arrangement for the Kaplan turbine, right? So let it be, is it an 90-degree rotation to the draft tube, but it will flow toward the tail race area. So this way this Kaplan turbine works. How Francis turbine works, similar working you can find in the Kaplan turbine also. Only change is flow of water is axially. In case of Francis turbine, flow of water is radially inward toward the runner side. Here is the flow of water is axial direction. That is the only change. Okay. So write working of this. Similar kind of working we can write about the Kaplan turbine. Write down. When water from the penstock, when water from the penstock enters into the casing, enters into the casing and strikes on the guide vanes and strikes on the guide vanes and strikes on the guide vanes, strikes on the guide vanes, and guide vanes guide the water, guide vanes guide the water, guide vane guide the water, or direct the water, towards the runner, toward the runner and runner blades, BLADS, blades, full stop. Next line, as water passes through the runner blades, as water passes through the runner blades, comma, runner starts rotating,
Sir, repeat करा की.
as water passes through the runner blades, comma, runner starts rotating, and which will cause rotation of generator, and which will cause rotation of generator also, and which will cause rotation of generator also, as they are mounted on same shaft, as they are mounted on same shaft. Full stop. Next paragraph. The water after passing through the runner vanes, the water after passing through the runner vanes, the water after passing through the runner vanes is discharged to the tail race, is discharged to the tail race, is discharged to the tail race, discharge to the tail race, comma, the water flows from, the water flows from, the water flows from guide vanes, guide vanes, and turn to 90 degree, and turn to 90 degree, and turn to 90 degree, and pass over the runner vanes, and pass over the runner vanes, and pass over the runner vanes in axial direction. Make the underline, axial direction. गाइडवेन मधनं वॉटर येणार आहे, परत ते 90 डिग्री मधनं बरोबर ऍक्सियल ज्या काही रनर वेन्स वरती फॉल होणार आहे.
सर
हा
एंड पासून रिपीट करा ना 90 डिग्री एंड.
ओके, I will repeat. The water flows from guide vanes, turns to 90 degree, turns to TURNS, turns to 90 degree, and pass over, and pass over, and passes, and passes over the runner vanes, and passes over the runner vanes, passes over the runner vanes in axial direction, in axial direction. Full stop. This turbine is used for, this turbine is used for low head, low head, low head up to 80 meter, up to 80 meter head, up to 80 meter, up to 80 meter. आता आपल्याकडे जे टेंबोर्नीला जो काय तिथं पॉवर स्टेशन आहे तिथं पण ते काय यूज केलंय, कापलान टर्बाइन यूज केलं, लक्षात ठेवा. If you get an opportunity to visit Temburni, that dam, whatever the power generation is there, so where the Kaplan turbine is used. Okay, so you can watch the videos of Francis turbine and the Kaplan turbine on YouTube, no problem. So on your side you can watch. I will also download the video, and I will share the link of the same on our study material sheet. Will it be okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here our this Kaplan turbine is over. Now difference you have to write impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Okay, so on your own you can try. Okay, so maximum points. So tomorrow we'll discuss the difference between impulse turbine and the reaction turbine. Now take the homework. You take the help of any book, or you can search on Google, whatever it is. But you write maximum points about impulse turbine and the reaction turbine. Write down. Give difference between impulse turbine and the reaction turbine. Give difference between impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Okay. So you can have the thought on this. you can prepare the difference point, maximum points. So tomorrow we can write complete, whatever the maximum points we can write. Okay. So now we'll stop here, but before that we'll take attendance, then we'll stop. So be careful for giving attendance because I'm making calls after my lecture to the parents. Roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9. Roll number 9. 9 absent. Roll number 10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13. Roll number 13, 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Yes, sir.
16, 17,
Present, sir.
18. Roll number 18, 19,
Yes, sir.
20. 20 is there.
Yes, sir.
21,
Yes, sir.
22,
Yes, sir.
23, 24,
Present, sir.
25, 26, 27,
Yes, sir.
27 present. Hello. 27. Roll number 27. 27 present है क्या? 28, 29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31. Roll number 31. 32,
Yes, sir.
33, 33, 34, 35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38, 38, 39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 42.
Sir,
Present,
41
sir.
present.
Hello.
41 present, sir.
42. Hello. 42.
Sir, 41 present. आहे.
41 present mark केला. 42. 42. 43.
Present, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
46.
Present, sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Yes, sir.
50.
Yes, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Yes, sir.
53. 53. 54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56. 56. 57. 58.
Present, sir.
59.
Yes, sir.
60. 60. 61.
Yes, sir.
62.
Yes, sir.
63.
Yes.
64.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
63. Roll number 63.
Yes, sir.
64. 64, 65, 66, 66,
Yes, sir.
67,
Yes, sir.
68, 68. Okay, I will read the absent numbers once again. Roll number 9, 13, 16, 18, 23, 25, 26, 28, 31, 33, 34, 38, 40,
33 present.
33.
Ha, yes, sir. घेतलं ना. Hello.
33. Ha, 33 present आहे का?
Yes, sir.
34, 38, 38, 42, 42, 53, 56, 57, 60, 64, 65, 68. Hello?
प्रेझेंट
काय झालं? Hello?
42 present आहे sir.
Okay, 42 present. 53, 56, 57, 60, 64, 65, 68. Okay?
Sir.
Ha,
Sir, 13 present.
33 present. Present.
13.
13 present. Okay.
Message
ठीक आहे. Okay. I will conclude now.
64.
64.
Hello, sir. 56.
Huh?
56.
56. 56
Yes,
वर
sir.
काय शिकवलं आपण आज? हॅलो हॅलो रोल नंबर 56. व्हॉट वी लर्न टुडे? कशावर प्रेझेंट राहता तुम्ही? I will mark as absent. Next. 64 कोण आहे? हॅलो हॅलो
26.
26 कोण 26 आहे? हॅलो
विशाल कदम.
हा विशाल आज काय शिकवलं सांगा बरं.
रेंज नाही.
हा
फ्रान्स टर्बाईन शिकवले सर, पण रेंज नाही.
काय म्हटलं? हॅलो
हॅलो सर, रेंज नाही.
रेंज नाही म्हणजे तुमचा दररोज हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय?